what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all my one brand skincare routine. Why have I selected a one brand skincare routine? Because what I've felt is, time and again, whenever like we do our skincare routine, there are multiple steps involved. And if these multiple products which you are using are aligned with each other, if they are working together, if they have the similar ingredient structure, your results will be more amplified. You will get much better results. So the brand that I have recently picked up is Pilgrim. It's a new discovery, fabulous discovery. I'll talk about that in just a little bit. The brand is Pilgrim, and the products I'm using are all based on this ingredient called Squalane. I'll talk about that also in just a little bit. There's just so much information I want to share with you all, and guys, honestly, it has helped my skin so much. Like this last winter season, it wreaked complete havoc on my skin. My skin was so dull, dry, dehydrated. It was always looking so blah, and no matter what I would do, my skin was just always looking so bad, and I was tired of it. So I would wear layers and layers of makeup to hide behind it, and obviously nobody wants that. You want your skin to look nice. It makes you feel better. And right now, as of today, so I'm wearing lipstick, I'm wearing kajal, eyeliner, but I'm not wearing any foundation, any concealer. Let me just show this to you. Okay, there is absolutely no foundation, no concealer, no foundation. Do you see that? There's absolutely nothing on this. I am so happy with my skin right now. So just thought I'll share with you all what has been working for me and what products I have been using, so you can also help revive your skin if you need to do that. Now, before I move to that, let's talk about Squalane, the ingredient Squalane. What Squalane does. So when I was trying to fix my skin, what happened was Squalane is something that just kept coming up, in my conversation with people and otherwise on Google and here and there. It just seemed like that one thing that could be my one-stop solution to a whole lot of skin problems. And I was really impressed with the fact that Squalane, did you guys know? Squalane is something which is naturally present in your skin. So when you're replenishing Squalane with your beauty products, it's not like a foreign body and your skin doesn't know what to do. It's not clogging your pores. It's not making your skin feel attacked, It's literally already there in your skin. You're just replenishing it. So, it acts as a great moisture barrier. It helps to lock in the moisture. It helps to hydrate the skin on a cellular level. Squalane is also amazing if you have dry, itchy skin, or if you have redness, swelling. It has anti-inflammatory properties. And so Squalane was something which, like, when I found out about Squalane, I was like, okay, this is exactly what I seem to be needing. So I'm like, okay, enough is enough. I'm going to do a complete Squalane skincare routine, and I started looking for products in the market, and the brand Pilgrim kept coming up everywhere, and I realized that they have an entire range of Squalane skincare products. And here's what I want to tell you guys about this brand. Like, the reason I'm so excited about this brand, like, it's a new discovery, but I'm very impressed because number one, they seem to actually care about their ingredients. Like a lot of brands, they'll be like, okay, we have this and we have that, but if you actually go ahead, you'll see that there's so many chemicals. This brand is paraben free. Like all the products I'm sharing with you all today, paraben free, sulfate free. Great, we all know about parabens and sulfates. They also have none of those 20 chemicals. Like apart from parabens and sulfates, there are a lot of other chemicals out there, right? Brands often use these chemicals in their beauty products. Let me just show this to you up close. It's written right here. No toxic 20 chemicals. It's 100% safe. It's FDA approved. And also the brand is 100% vegan, PETA certified, cruelty free, dermatologically tested, and plastic positive as well. So I think this is a brand that like ticks all the right boxes. And I was like, okay, you know what? If I'm going to use Squalane based skincare products, they have an entire range, and this seems very promising. So let's go ahead, let's give it a try. And yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys about this brand in case you have never tried out their products before. I'm very impressed. Guys, what I'll do is I will put all the links and everything in the description box below. You can check out the brand, you can check out the products I'm talking about in today's video. By the way, I also have a 15% off code, SWS15, 1515, to get 15% off on your purchases. Now, starting with my routine, this is a very simple routine, guys. Let me first show you the products. There is a face wash, there is an under eye serum, there is a serum for your face, then there's a moisturizer, and then there is an oil. Okay, so starting with the first step of the routine, for which I'll be using the Pilgrim Squalane Foaming Face Wash with kiwi extract and vitamin B5. It contains no artificial fragrance. Feels super refreshing. It's a non-soapy formula, so it doesn't dry off the skin. The skin just feels refreshed, hydrated, squeaky clean. Also, like, there's a light cooling sensation, which is so amazing. By the way, did I mention this, guys? The Squalane which is used in these products by Pilgrim, it's all derived from olives. Now, moving to the next step of the routine after the face wash, the Pilgrim Squalane Roll-On Under Eye Serum. So it contains no artificial fragrance, And like you can see here, it contains phytoretinol and caffeine. Let me just pause here and tell you a little bit about phytoretinol, because whenever I would see YouTubers say phytoretinol, I would be like, okay, that's basically just retinol, right? No, it's not. It's actually very different. Retinol is great, no doubt about that, but it can prevent the breakdown of collagen in your skin. It can thicken the deeper layers of your skin, and it can cause that irritation. It can dry out the skin. It can cause irritation on your skin. It can cause itchiness on your skin. Retinol can do that. Phytoretinol does not have any of these problems. It's very, very gentle, and it's just much, much gentler, much nicer to your skin. Apart from that, phytoretinol, it helps in dealing with fine lines, wrinkles, signs of aging. It can make your skin soft, smooth, supple, and it just makes your skin look more brighter, more refreshed. So none of the bad things that the retinol has, and it has all of the good things as well. Okay, so it's like a win-win thing, especially for your under eye region. I think this can be such a great thing to have, because this is where the signs of aging start appearing first, and you definitely don't want an under eye bags, dark circles. So this serum can actually help in dealing with all of that. Let me first show you the packaging. It comes with this roll-on feature that makes it very, very handy, and the product is extremely lightweight in texture, that makes it super easy to use. So I usually massage for about 30 seconds because it helps to boost the blood circulation under my eyes, and I think this too has helped my under eye area look so much better. This has helped to reduce the puffiness in the under my eye region. It has helped to deal with the dark circles, the fine lines, the wrinkles, and the area under my eyes is just looking so much brighter and so much better. Now moving to the serum for the rest of the face, the Pilgrim Squalane Glow Creme Serum with tranexamic acid and alpha-arbutin. Once again, fragrance-free formula designed to brighten, hydrate, and nourish the skin. People with acne marks and pigmentation, it can help in dealing with all of that beautifully. So let me first show you the texture. The texture is very, very lightweight. So I just have to take a small quantity and just dab it or pat it on your skin. Okay, this is a quick tip. Pat it, do not massage it, and the skin will absorb this formula very, very well. And of course, it's a serum, it contains active, so you need to lock it in with a moisturizer right after the application. So for the moisturizer, once again, I have a moisturizer as well in my routine. So for this, I am using the Pilgrim Squalane Glow Moisturizer with niacinamide and vitamin C. Once again, a fragrance-free formula, and it can help to brighten the skin, hydrate the skin, smoothen the skin to give you that youthful glow. And once again, let me show you the texture up close. A very, very lightweight texture that doesn't leave a sticky, greasy feel behind. So just make little dots and apply it all over your face, massage it gently, and yeah, that's about it. Although, by the way, quick tip, whenever you're stepping out in the sunlight, please wear sunscreen. The summer season right around the corner, if it's already there where you're living, please make sure that you wear sunscreen. It will help in protecting your skin tremendously. And often at night before I go off to sleep, because like I've always said, right, your night skincare routine is so important. At night is when you're resting your skin, when you're resting yourself, you're not moving your jaws, you're not touching your face. This is when your skin can revive, replenish itself much better. So just before sleeping, I like to use a formula which is a lot more potent, a lot more effective, because this one actually contains 100% squalane. Yes, 100% squalane. Let me show this to you up close. This is the Pilgrim 100% pure and natural squalane oil. Once again, a fragrance-free formula. Just take a few drops, guys. It's actually a non-sticky, non-greasy formula, and a very powerful hydrator for softening the skin texture, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Very, very easy to use. Like I just showed you, it's very non-sticky, non-greasy. The skin actually absorbs it really well, and you see an amazing result. Like when I started using this initially, I'll just tell you about the initial days, because that's when my skin was really struggling, and I saw very quick results. I would wake up in the morning and my skin didn't look like, okay, why did we wake up? My skin would look fresh, my skin would look bright, my skin would look happy. Like this one ingredient, squalane, right? It can completely transform your skin, change the game for you. It is so amazing. And a very simple skincare routine, like you saw, it's not like too many steps, right? But it transforms your skin, it changes the game completely. And that makes a whole lot of difference when you have a practical skincare routine working so well for you because of the right ingredients. That is what has been missing in my life for the longest time. So I definitely would want you guys to experience this. I would want you to experience squalane, understand what squalane does, get the feel of it. And like I said, all the products that I'm using are from Pilgrim. Use all your products from the same brand, from the same range, because you will get much better results. That has been my experience, and I really can vouch for it personally. So yes, that's all for now, guys. All the links shared in the description box below if you want to check it out. And don't forget to use this coupon code SWS1515, SWS15 for flat 15% off on your purchases. Apart from that, guys, share your experiences with me. If you have tried out these products before, or once you try them out, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. And yes, while you're checking all the links out, sharing your comments, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.